Justice for all stands for mediation. Because even if we get all the cases decided today, even if we get all the cases decided today, it will not be justice for all. It will be justice for the winner, but not justice for the loser. So the only way we can do justice for all is by inculcating the spirit of mediation, that spirit of give and take, the spirit of, you know, uh, realizing that remaining in the litigation ultimately has so much of bad blood, so much of sort of adverse effects on both sides. But in a mediated settlement, both parties go happy, and that really is justice for all. So this justice for all is actually a start by the Supreme Court Bar Association, firstly to try and help the system. And I remember very recently I had a very contentious matter before the Honorable CGI, and both parties were absolutely not willing to settle. But I remember how the Honorable CGI could, use his stick and as well as persuasive skills to ensure stick used his smile. Once in a while, when he used to smile at me, my client used to think he's in our favor. But but when he used to ultimately become a little angry, then client used to think हम तो उधर जा रहे हैं. So that attitude, I personally feel, and this is one message which I want to give to the entire country and to all the judges of this country, that in the mediation system, the judges play a very important role. And if the judges actually in every litigation try to see that the matter can be settled, I think a large number of issues can be settled straight away. And other than the trained mediators that we have in the country, we have also to inculcate the spirit of give and take in the entire country. And in that spirit of give and take, ultimately, we will be able to have that culture of wanting to look forward rather than backwards. If you look forward, then you are looking towards positivity. If you look backwards with all your whatever hostility that is there between the parties, you are looking at negativity. So this is the message of justice for all, and I'm very happy that it has been a huge turnout. I would like to thank my entire EC. Rahul Kaushik is of course a brilliant person. I see he has the kind of effort that he has put in this. Pragya Baghel, Rahul Kaushik, Minesh Dubey, the entire EC has really worked very hard to make this very great success. I must thank the District Magistrate of Delhi also. He also has been a great. I must thank the sponsors. Amity University has given us is the main title sponsor. So it is this event is Amity University with SCBA, and then we have Tata Power, and we have ONGC, we have IFCO Tokyo, we have Power Grid, and Jindal. So these are the other sponsors that we have.
Mr. Vikas Singh, the President of SCBA, Pragya Baghel, Secretary, Rahul, Vice President, and all other office bearers and members of the Supreme Court Bar Association. At the outset, I congratulate Supreme Court Bar Association, Vikas ji, Rahul, and Pragya for organizing this event. It's really first of its kind, and I know that in future the successors of Mr. Vikas Singh will find it difficult not to emulate it. I find that today's event, Mr. Vikas Singh has emphasized on the concept of justice for all and the importance of mediation. But according to me, today's event would be important to give a message of three things. Mostly justice for all, that is promoting mediation. Then importance of health, and thirdly, the environment. As Mr. Vikas Singh pointed out, that mediation helps resolve the dispute, because in mediation, nobody is a loser and everybody is a winner. He was giving an example of one matter which was before us. We would not be in a position to name the party, but matter went on for more than almost a dozen hearings, and ultimately we could save the careers of husband and wife who would have lost their careers fighting the battle in the Supreme Court. And at the same time, securing the future of their only one daughter. And therefore, it was a difficult case, but Mr. Vikas Singh, the other side, they tried to persuade. There was so bad blood between both of them that it was difficult for them to reconcile. But ultimately, happily, they parted. I have been practicing mediation right from the judge. I became a judge in 2003. I could settle many matters. When I was in Bombay, there was a dispute between a big industrial house. The father and the younger son were on one side, and the elder son was on the other side. There were so many litigations pending between them. And every day, after the court hours, after 5 o'clock, I used to spend an hour or 1.5 hours with them. And after 4 or 5 sittings, they walked out of my chamber happily, shaking their hands.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepika. I'm an advocate practicing in Supreme Court. It's been last 17.5 years that I'm practicing, and for the first time I'm seeing such a great event called Justice for All being organized by Supreme Court Bar Association with the great effort of Mr. Vikas Singh, President of the Bar Association, who himself is a sports enthusiast. So the concept of Justice for All is to spread the word to everyone that justice is for all, rule of law is for all, good or bad, small or young, rich or poor, it's for everyone. So the theme suggests all lawyers are here, Supreme Court judges are here, High Court judges are here. They literally came in the morning, Sunday morning. More than 1,800 people have participated. No AQI can stop us, no traffic can stop us. Justice is for all and it is unstoppable. Thank you so much.